So you want to be a part of rewilding. You want to do your bit to restore wildlife to its former glory, resplendent in plants and insects and birds and everything this country used to have. But just like me, you don't have a few hundred hectares of land that you can give over to wildlife and to nature. But what if I told you you could be a part of the rewilding movement for the cost of a couple of coffees? You see, you don't need 100 hectares because a small startup is making it possible for anyone to get involved in rewilding. Their idea is that by bringing lots of little efforts together, they can make something that is more beautiful than the sum of its parts. The concept is simple. Take a 3-acre site that had been identified by this startup as being perfect for rewilding. Next, they draw out a 3 by 3 metre plot on that landscape. Then multiply that 3 by 3 metre square across the whole plot. Unfortunately, this has already been done by the What 3 Words platform. And this is where you come in. By going to wildmosaic.eco, you can choose your own unique 3 by 3 metre tile. I selected brambles output placidly. You then pay them your subscription, your 2 coffees, and Wild Mosaic use the collective power of their community of subscribers to implement the interventions that restore habitat and wildlife. And Wild Mosaic use this collective power of their community of subscribers to ensure that the habitat is restored and the whole site is rewilded. And in return, you get regular updates about the site to really see what impact your contribution is having. And Wild Mosaic partner with established rewilding organisations such as the Wildlife Trusts to ensure that there is real change. I'm not sponsored by Wild Mosaic in any way. I just think it's a really neat way to get involved in rewilding and make a little bit of a difference. So perhaps sacrifice a couple of trips to the coffee shop, put that money towards Wild Mosaic, make yourself a cup of coffee at home, go somewhere beautiful to enjoy it, and know that you are part of a community of micro rewilders doing our bit to restore nature and wildlife across the country. Have a wonderful day.